Hi friends, this is Nagarohit Reddy from Tech Awaited. Today let's talk about Flipkart Big Billion Day Sale 2021 mobile offers. I will recommend you the best value for money smartphones in every price segment. So watch this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe to get regular interesting tech videos. Let's start this video. I divided the smartphones in 6 different price segments. They are under 7,000, smartphones under 10,000, smartphones under 15,000, smartphones under 20,000, smartphones under 30,000, smartphones above 30,000. Firstly, we will talk about smartphone offers under 7,000. In this price segment, we can get decent smartphones which are pretty good. Realme C20. The key specs of this smartphone are MediaTek Helio G35 processor, which is a good and decent chipset, and it has 2GB RAM and 32GB of storage. And the size of the smartphone is 6.5 inches and it has 5000 mAh battery. I recommend under 7,000 smartphones for only light usage people. If you perform heavy tasks, it may hang. The second smartphone in this price segment is Poco C3. The key specs of this smartphone are MediaTek Helio G35 smartphone, The key specs of this smartphone are MediaTek Helio G35 processor. The RAM is 3GB and 32GB storage, and with triple camera setup. Next, we move on to under 10,000 segment. In this segment, there is a huge competition since the segment is for masses. First phone in this price segment is Micromax In2B. The price of this smartphone is 8,500. The key specs of this smartphone is it has Unisoc processor, which is the latest and powerful smart processor in this price segment. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 5000 mAh battery, and 6.5 inches HD plus display. Micromax called it as no hang phone. Moving on to Poco M3. Its price is 9,500. The key features of this smartphone is Snapdragon 662 processor, a good smartphone from Poco, 6000 mAh battery, 4GB storage, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and etc. If you are looking for camera smartphone, then you should consider Samsung F12. The key features are 48MP quad camera, 6.5 inches AMOLED display, and Exynos 850 processor with 6000 mAh battery. Let's move on to under 15,000 price segment. In this price segment, you have 5G and 4G smartphones. The first phone in this price segment is Realme 8i. It just priced around 12,000. The key specs of this smartphone are MediaTek Helio G96 with 120Hz smooth display, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. If you are looking for good 4G smartphone, this will be the great choice. Moving on to Realme Narzo 50A. Its price is 11,500. A good gaming smartphone for gamers. The key specs of this smartphone are 50MP triple camera, 6000 mAh battery, MediaTek Helio G86. If you are looking for a 5G smartphone, then you must look at 3 smartphones. First one is Realme Narzo 30 5G. Its price is 15,000. The key specs are MediaTek Dimensity 700, 48MP triple camera, 90Hz fast refresh rate LCD display. Moving on to second one, that is Poco M3 Pro 5G. The key specs of the smartphone are same as Realme Narzo 30, but the design is different. It looks attractive and colorful. The price of the smartphone is 500 cheaper than Realme Narzo. That is 14,500. Moving on to the cheapest 5G phone in this price segment, that is none other than Oppo A53s 5G. The key specs of this smartphone is MediaTek Dimensity 700, 13MP triple camera, HD plus display, and its price around 13,000. Moving on to under 20,000 segment, the phones are value for money. Since I recommend the most dangerous value for money smartphone, that is none other than Realme GT Master Edition. This is a 5G smartphone. The price of this smartphone is 19,999. The key specs of this smartphone is Snapdragon 778 5G processor, 120Hz fast refresh rate screen with AMOLED display. With all offers, you will get this smartphone under 20,000. You will get 6GB and 128GB storage option for 20,000. So don't miss this offer. A great deal from Realme. Moving on to Realme 8s 5G. A powerful smartphone for just 16,999. The key specs are MediaTek Dimensity 810, a newly launched chipset, a good offering from Realme. Moving on to under 30,000 segment. The first phone is Oppo Reno 6 5G. If you are looking at a best camera-centric smartphone and great design, then you should never miss this deal. That is Oppo Reno 6 5G. The price of this smartphone is under 30,000. It has the key specs of this smartphone are MediaTek Dimensity 900, 64MP triple camera, etc. Moving on to the best deal, that is iPhone SE. The price of this smartphone is 25,999. The key specs are Apple Bionic chip A13. You can experience Apple ecosystem for only 25,000. Above 30k segment, you should never miss the deal, that is iPhone 12 mini. You are getting it around 40,000. The key specs of this smartphone are Apple Bionic A14 chip, that is a 5G chip. And you are getting OLED display. Moving on to iPhone 12 for just around 50k. The key specs of this smartphone are Apple Bionic A14 chip, 5G processor, OLED display. If you are looking for all-rounder smartphone, then you should never miss Motorola Edge 20 Pro. It prices around 40 to 45k. The key specs of this smartphone are Snapdragon 870, 108 triple camera with OIS, and etc. These are the offers you get in Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. You can use 0% interest on EMI, 10% instant discount on Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. Smart upgrade, just pay 70% and upgrade to new phone. Exchange your working condition phone and get minimum of 1000 rupees